Hello, class 11. This session is for you. Class 11, already we have completed the part ellipse in school and through online class also, many sums done. But still, I think many, few sums are remaining for 4 marks questions that I'm going to make videos for you. Okay, and already we have started then hyperbola also. Go through hyperbola and please watch this also. This is 4 marks, few questions are left. 4 marks, few questions, please. Now, question number 4, part 1. Find the lengths of axis of the ellipse whose eccentricity is 3 by 5 and the distance between the focus and directrix is equals to 16. Repeating, find the lengths of the axis of the ellipse whose eccentricity is 3 by 5 and the distance between focus and directrix is equal to 16. We have to find the lengths of the axis of the ellipse. Okay, so lengths of the axis of the ellipse that we have to find out. Length of the axis of the ellipse means we have to find both the major axis length and the minor axis length. Okay, this is exercise 5, sum number 4, part 1. Okay, now eccentricity is given to us, that is is equal to 3 by 5, and focus and directrix, I think this is the distance is given now. Yes, distance between the focus and directrix. Okay, now right. Distance between the focus and directrix is equal to 16 unit. Okay, that means focus and directrix. If we can draw the ellipse in this way, say. Okay, let this is the center we know. Y. This is the center we know. Let this be the S, and this is A. We know this is A, and let this is equals to Z. That is the directrix. Directrix this side one directrix, this side also one more directrix. So that directrix are there is there. Now given is what is Z, distance between the focus and the directrix. This distance is given as 16 units. Here. Now it is given that given is Z is equal to 16. Okay. Now CS is equal to AE. Why? Because coefficient this focus is equals to, we know, focus of ellipsis plus minus AE comma 0. Since it is towards the x-axis positive, so we will take this as AE comma 0. So S coordinate we can write as AE. S coordinate means CS, then we can write as AE. Okay, now CS plus SZ. What is that? CS plus SZ. That is equals to, we can write AE plus 16. Right. Now CZ will be what? CZ is equal to CS plus SZ. That is equals to CZ. Now CS plus SZ equals to this. So therefore we can write CZ is equal to AE plus 16. Okay. Now CZ is equal to, we know, A by E. Why? Because this Z, this is the directrix. Here X is equals to A by E. So this point should be A by E. So CZ, that means C to Z, this is should be A by E, is equals to AE plus 16. Here. Now what we know, A into E is given 3 by 5. So 1 by E will be 5 by 3 is equal to A into 3 by 5 plus 16. So it is coming 5a by 3 is equal to 3a by 5 plus 16. Okay, so let us take this 5a by 3 minus, it is coming 3a by 5 is equal to 16, so it is coming 15. 3 5s are 5 5s are 25a minus 5 3s are, so it is coming 3 3s are 9, that is 16. So 25 minus 9a, that is 16a by 15 is equal to 16. So obviously from both sides we can cancel 16, so we will get a as 15. A is equal to 15. So when A is equal to 15, then we can easily find, therefore length of the major axis is twice A, that is 2 into 15, that is 30. Okay. And B we have to find. What is the value of B? Now E equals to, we know, square root of, for an ellipse, 1 minus B square by A square. Therefore E square equals to 1 minus B square by A square. Now value of E we know, that is 3 by 5. So it is coming 9 by 25 equals to 1 minus B square by A equals to 1 by 15. Okay, so right here 15 squared, so it is coming to 25. Okay, so 9 by 25 minus, or do one thing now, take this part b square by 225 to the left hand side, so it is coming 1 minus 9 by 25. So 25 minus 9, that gives us 16. So b square by 225 is equal to this. So b square equal to 9 into 16. So b will be 3 into 4. That gives us 12. Okay. So b equals to 12 and a equals to 15. Therefore, we have to find the length of the axis. Length of the axis means we have to find both length of the major axis as well as the length of the minor axis. So let us find length of the major axis. Twice a, that is 2 into 15. So 30 unit. And length of the minor axis is equal to 2b, that is 2 into 12 is equal to 24 unit. That should be the answer. Okay. So this is sum number 4 part 1. Next is sum number 4 part 1 done. Next sum number 6 we will do. Sum number 6. Taking major and minor axis along y and x axis, find the equation of the ellipse whose part 1 coordinate of foci are 0 plus minus 1 and the length of the minor axis is 2. This is the question. Taking major and minor axis along y, okay, major axis along y and minor axis along x, okay. Find the equation of the ellipse whose coordinates of foci are 0, comma plus minus y and the length of the minor axis is 2. You have to find the equation of ellipse. Okay. So according to the problem, we can write 0, comma plus minus AE. When the length, my major axis is taken along y-axis, so that time this will be the focus. Okay, 0 plus minus AE, that is given to us, 0 plus minus 1. So we can write AE is equal to 1 or minus A equals to minus 1. So we can write AE equals to 1 and length of the minor axis is given as 2. Okay. Length of the minor axis is given as 2. Uh, Length of the minor axis is equal to 2. That means B is equal to 2. That means 2B equals to 2 or B equals to 1. Okay. And B equals to 1. Now 1 minus b square by a square under root 1, that is equals to e. This is equals to e. Okay, and from here can we write e equals to 1 by a? Yes. So instead of this e, we can write 1 by a. So 1 minus b square by a square under root is equal to 1 by a. Now squaring both the sides, we will get this a square minus b square by a square. This. So this is cancelled. So we will get a square minus b square is equal to 1. Okay. So a square minus b square is equal to 1. B value we know. So right here a square minus 1 is equal to 1. So a square is equal to 2. Okay, so a should be root 2. So no need to write a. A square is equal to 2 and b equals to 1 means b square is equal to 1. So what is the required equation? Then required equation will be, required equation is what? X square by b square plus y square by a square by, because because it is already given major and minor axis along y axis and x axis. That is why it is written in this way. So right here x square by b square means 1 plus y square by a square means 2. Okay. So by 2, so it is coming 2x square plus y square. So it is coming 2x square plus y square is equal to 2. Okay. So this will be the answer. Equation of an ellipse. Okay. Next sum coming with new video. Thank you.